Quality Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 7. Question 1. What is the main goal of unit testing? A. Test individual units or components of the software. B. Test the system as a whole. C. Test the system's security features. D. Test system performance under load. The correct answer is A. Test individual units or components of the software. Unit testing focuses on testing small components or functions in isolation. Question 2. What is smoke testing? A. Testing the system for critical errors before release. B. Testing after changes to ensure major functions work. C. Testing system performance under extreme load. D. Testing the security features of the system. The correct answer is B. Testing after changes to ensure major functions work. Smoke testing checks if major functionalities work after code changes or builds. Question 3. What is the primary goal of acceptance testing? A. To verify if the system meets business requirements. B. To test individual components of the software. C. To test the system's security features. D. To assess the usability of the software. The correct answer is A. To verify if the system meets business requirements. Acceptance testing ensures the system meets the customer's or business's expectations and requirements. Question 4. What does test automation refer to? A. Manually executing tests based on written scripts. B. Automating the execution of test cases to reduce human intervention. C. Writing detailed test plans for every system scenario. D. Automating defect reporting during test execution. The correct answer is B. Automating the execution of test cases to reduce human intervention. Test automation speeds up the execution of repetitive test cases and reduces manual effort. Question 5. What is boundary value analysis used for? A. Testing performance under heavy load. B. Identifying defects in system security features. C. Testing values near the boundaries of input ranges. D. Testing usability of the user interface. The correct answer is C. Testing values near the boundaries of input ranges. Boundary value analysis is used to test edge cases, where defects are more likely. Question 6. What is stress testing? A. Testing how the system performs under maximum load. B. Testing the usability of the system. C. Testing the system's security under attack. D. Testing the performance of the system in normal conditions. The correct answer is A. Testing how the system performs under maximum load. Stress testing involves pushing the system to its limit to evaluate how it handles high stress. Question 7. What is test coverage? A. The percentage of the system tested by automated tests. B. The total number of test cases written. C. The degree to which the test cases cover the functionality of the system. D. The number of defects identified during testing. The correct answer is C. The degree to which the test cases cover the functionality of the system. Test coverage measures how much of the system's functionality is tested by your test cases. Question 8. What is defect lifecycle? A. The stages a defect goes through from discovery to resolution. B. The time taken to test a specific feature. C. The method of prioritizing defects based on severity. D. The process of automating defect identification. The correct answer is A. The stages a defect goes through from discovery to resolution. The defect lifecycle refers to the process a defect follows, from reporting to closure. Question 9. What is the purpose of negative testing? A. To test the system under expected input conditions. B. To ensure the system responds correctly to invalid or unexpected inputs. C. To test the security of the system. D. To To test the performance under heavy load. The correct answer is B. To ensure the system responds correctly to invalid or unexpected inputs. Negative testing helps ensure the system behaves properly when faced with invalid inputs. Question 10. What is user acceptance testing? A. Testing the software by the development team. B. Testing the system in real-world conditions to validate end-user requirements. C. Testing for system vulnerabilities and security risks. D. Testing the system's performance under expected load. The correct answer is B. Testing the system in real-world conditions to validate end-user requirements. UAT ensures the system meets end-user needs before it is released to production. Question 11. What is exploratory testing? A. Testing performed based on predefined test cases. B. Testing performed without predefined test cases, exploring the system dynamically. C. Testing performed by users in the production environment. D. Testing based on test scripts created by automation tools. The correct answer is B. Testing performed without predefined test cases, exploring the system dynamically. Exploratory testing allows testers to use their creativity and experience to identify defects. Question 12. What is test data? A. Data generated by test management tools. B. Sample data used during testing to verify system behavior. C. Real-world data extracted from the production environment. D. Data generated based on the test scripts. The correct answer is B. Sample data used during testing to verify system behavior. Test data simulates real-world conditions to evaluate how the system handles inputs. Question 13. What is retesting? A. Testing the system after changes to verify defects are fixed. B. Testing to ensure no new features have been introduced. C. Testing the system in different environments. D. Testing system performance after hardware upgrades. The correct answer is A. Testing the system after changes to verify defects are fixed. Retesting is performed to ensure previously reported defects have been fixed in the latest version. Question 14. What is test execution? A. Writing detailed test cases. B. Running test cases and recording the results. C. Analyzing defects and generating reports. D. Prioritizing test cases based on risk. The correct answer is B. Running test cases and recording the results. Test execution involves actually running the test cases and documenting their results. Question 15. What is test reporting? A. Tracking defects throughout the software lifecycle. B. Documenting the results of test execution and defect status. C. Generating detailed test scripts for all use cases. D. Writing user manuals based on test outcomes. The correct answer is B. Documenting the results of test execution and defect status. Test reporting involves summarizing the results and documenting the status of defects. Question 16. What is test design? A. Writing the scripts for automated testing. B. Creating detailed plans for test execution and cases. C. Designing the user interface for testing. D. Creating the environment where tests will run. The correct answer is B. Creating detailed plans for test execution and cases. Test design involves planning and detailing the test cases and execution flow. Question 17. What is ad hoc testing? A. Testing based on predefined scripts. B. Testing performed without planning or documentation. C. Testing based on automation tools. D. Testing under controlled and structured conditions. The correct answer is B. Testing performed without planning or documentation. Ad hoc testing is informal testing without formal test plans or documentation. Question 18. What is test closure? A. Completing the test execution phase. B. Finalizing test results and defect reports. C. The process of preparing tests before execution. D. Concluding the testing process and documenting final results. The correct answer is D. Concluding the testing process and documenting final results. Test closure finalizes the testing phase by reviewing and reporting outcomes. Question 19. What is test optimization? A. Increasing the number of test cases for better coverage. B. Reducing the time spent on manual test execution. C. Optimizing the efficiency and effectiveness of the test process. D. Writing automated tests for all system components. The correct answer is C. Optimizing the efficiency and effectiveness of the test process. Test optimization focuses on improving the quality and speed of testing. Question 20. What is test scalability? A. Testing how the system performs under a heavy load. B. Testing the system's ability to handle increased usage over time. C. Testing system features under expected user loads. D. Testing the system across different devices and environments. The correct answer is B. Testing the system's ability to handle increased usage over time. Scalability testing evaluates whether the system can grow to handle increased load.